Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be fitting these Tredwear tyre lettering to my brand new tyres. So as you can see, these are Toyo tyres. So that's a raised lettering on the tyre. So what I've done, I've gone ahead and sanded it flat. So when we glue the new tyre letters on there, they will sit flush and it's going to look a lot more professional. So you won't be able to hopefully pick the difference from a few feet away. It should look like they really are GT radials. So I've gone and used just a Whizzer and 80 grit sandpaper. So I'll show you how I do that now. So here's the tyre all done, all sanded nice and flat with the 80 grit. So when you're happy with the way it looks, which I think it looks alright, so now the lettering will sit nice and flat on the tyre. So the next step is degreaser. We need to degrease the tyre and pull out all the oils and contaminants. So when we go to glue on our tyre lettering, we get a good bond and they won't fall off. And here's the end result, all done. They really do completely transform the tyre. So for my car in particular, I needed the Goodyear GT radials to be movie accurate to the Herbie movies, but you can really get any design you want to put on your tyres, and for like half a day's work, it makes the world of difference, really transforms it. So let's get these back on the car for the final reveal.